Hey friends, welcome to my page, Decor Designs. I hope you enjoyed this project. For this project, we're going to be using a metal pizza pan. I purchased mine at the Dollar Tree. I sanded it lightly around the edges just to help the paint adhere, and I am using a multi-purpose acrylic paint in black to paint all the edges of this pizza pan. And once the paint is dried, I'm going to be using these cork paper sheets. I did purchase these at the Dollar Tree. I am going to be using them to cover the part of the top and the bottom of this tray. Now, the best way I found to cut what I needed from these cork sheets was just to turn the tray over and mark it so that I could get a guide on where to cut. And as you could see, I am repeating the process as we're going to be needing 2 of these sheets, one for the top and one for the bottom. These specific cork sheets are self-adhesive, so all I'm going to do to glue them on is to remove the backing and they will adhere themselves to it. And this sticky part is so strong. Once you put them on, there is no taking them off. And now I'm going to be using one of the bandanas that comes in a pack of 2, and I purchased this at the Dollar Tree. I just got the edge of this bandana to use. I just love the graphic of it. So just as a side note, you could also use fabric instead of ribbon to finish up a project. To give my bandana a cleaner edge, I just went ahead and folded it down and hot glued it down into place. And as you could see, I'm just hot gluing it directly onto my cork board. And friends, if you're liking this project, I would love to invite you to check out the rest of the projects that I have here available to you on my channel. Also, if you like the more personal chit-chatty atmosphere, you could go ahead and join me on Facebook for some live crafting as well. And now let's just go ahead and finish up this project. I'm going to be taking some ribbon. I can't remember where I purchased this ribbon, but you know, something that kind of goes with it. And I'm going to finish up my edges, and now giving it a little bit more of a bright popping kind of look, I'm going to be adding this beautiful yellow ribbon. Let me know what you guys think about it. And now let's go ahead and finish the edges of this pizza pan, because we know, we don't want it to look like a pizza pan. I'm going to be taking these wooden beads, and I want to say these are the 12 millimeter ones. I'm going to be using some watered down black paint, putting them all in a Ziploc bag, and let them absorb the stain. I wanted the look of the stained beads rather than the painted one. You'll see how they look in just a second. Now, I found this wooden word, and I believe this one is from Hobby Lobby, and it just says blessed, and I did paint it black. And now, after allowing my beads to sit in that paint water mixture, I got them out of the bag and directly dried them. Took a lot of the excess paint by just rolling them in the paper towels and dried them up with my heat gun. And now all I'm going to do is just gluing them on the edge of the pizza pan. And I'm using the hot glue gun, but I will recommend you using some a little bit heavy duty glue. And I don't know if you noticed, but I have a little gap, but no worries, we're going to take care of that in just a second. I also went ahead and used my hot glue to glue the word blessed onto one side. I just kind of put it on the side of that yellow ribbon. And now all that's left to do is just take some beautiful sunflowers and a little of a messy bow to just finish this up. And yes, we did cover the little gap that was left there by the bead that was missing. So all of that is nicely covered with all of these beautiful flowers and greenery and ribbons. And that, my friends, is the end of this quick project. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to put a hanger to hang this to your door or wall, wherever you want to have it. But I hope you enjoyed it. Look how beautiful it looks. Thank you for spending this little bit of time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to check out my social media pages. And of course, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Adios.